Hello everybody, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve Snapchat video lag. To know how to fix or how to solve Snapchat video lag, you should just go to settings. After that, in this page, you will go to apps, default apps, app settings. When you'll find this page, you will enter to this window of Snapchat. Then in this list of app info, you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Then you will go to click storage. Here in this page, you will enter to clear cache. And in the end, you can turn off your Wi-Fi. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time.